Hello, hello, grade 1. How are you? I hope you're happy and safe. Our lesson today is problem solving. Throughout this lesson, we are going to learn how to solve using a table. We are going to learn how to make a table to solve. Interesting. Let's start with the first example. Joel drinks 10 glasses of milk each week. Good. What about you, grade 1? Do you drink milk? It's so useful for you, grade 1, to be bigger and stronger. Now the question is, how many glasses of milk does he drink in 4 weeks? Good question. Let's reread the problem again and underline the fact that we know. Joel drinks 10 glasses of milk each week. This is the most important fact that we know, and the only fact. The question is, that's what we need to find. How many glasses of milk does he drink in 4 weeks? Good. Let's make a table to answer this question. This is the plan. In the first column, we will write the number of week. And in the second column, we will write the number of glasses. In week number 1, Joel drinks 10 glasses. In the second week, she will drink another 10 glasses. But how many glasses does Joel drink in these 2 weeks? 10 for the first one and 10 for the second one. So for both of them, he will drink 20. Great job. Now you know how to skip count by 10, grade 1. So 10, 20, and 30 for the third week, or until the third week, and 40 until the fourth week. So this is week number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So Joel will drink 40 glasses of milk through 4 weeks. 4 glasses. Now let's solve another problem or another example. This is Leah. She have fun with her toys. Amazing. Leah played with 10 different toys each day. Interesting. How many toys would she have played with in 5 days? What do you think, grade 1? How can we solve this problem? Let's reread the problem and underline the facts. Leah played with 10 different toys each day. This is the most important fact and the only fact. The question is, how many toys would she have played with in 5 days? What do you think, grade 1? Can we make a table to solve this problem? Yes, of course. The table helps us to organize the information. So, in this table, we will write the number of days in the first column, and in the second column, we will write the number of toys. This is called a column, and this is called a column. This is the first column, and this is the second column. Here we will write the number of days, and here we will write the number of toys. So, in the first day, Leah played with 10 different toys. So here we will write number 10, the number of toys that Leah played with in the first day. In the second day, she will play with 10 different toys. So now, 10 for the first day and 10 for the second day. So through these 2 days, she will play with 20 toys. Now it's just like it's keeping count now. In the third day, she will play with 30. In the fourth day, she will play with 40. In the fifth day, she will play with 50. Great job, grade 1. So Leah will play with 50 different toys through 5 days. So 5/10, because we have 5 days, equals grade 1, 50. The value of 5/10 is 50. So 50 toys. So please, grade 1, be sure to write the correct answer in your book, page number 380. Now let's solve another question, grade 1. Question number 1, page number 381. Bobby found shells at the beach. Interesting. Do you like to collect shells, grade 1? For me, I'm really interesting with collecting shells, just like Bobby. Bobby found shells at the beach. He found 10 shells each day for 6 days. Amazing! 10 shells each day for 6 days. How many shells did he find in 6 days? What do you think, grade 1? How can we solve this problem? Let's underline the fact that we know. Baby found shells at the beach. It's not a math fact. He found 10 shells each day for 6 days. This is the most important fact. He found 10 shells each day for 6 days. Now, what we need to find is how many shells did he find in 6 days? How many shells did he find in 6 days? Again, we will use a table. In this table, we will write the number of days, and here we will write the number of shells. So in the day number 1, he found 10 shells. Day number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 days. So in the first one, he found 10 shells. In the second day, he found another 10 shells. So how many shells in all did he found? Yes, of course, he found 10 in all. Now it's just like a skipping count. 10, 20, 30, 40 for the 4th day, 50 for the 5th day, and 60 for the 6th day. So 60 shells. Interesting. Now it's your turn, grade 1. So please try to solve these problems by yourself. And then when you finish, you can check your answers here. The same for the next page, you can check your answers here. And here you have another example that you can practice it by yourself. The next page is your homework, grade 1. So please try to solve it by yourself, and then when you finish, you can check your answers here. It's the end of grade 1. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.